The lower bout, I really do try to hold it back from going the complete bend. And then kind of once it gives me a little bit of, back force, spring back from this side, I let the bender kind of do its thing. Once the side starts to heat up in this lower bout area, the wood's gonna really start to bend when it wants to bend. Okay, you may have noticed that I have started bending the upper and lower bout first. Typically, a lot of guys on most benders start with the waist and then go to the upper and lower bout. I found on this particular bender that I kind of get the lower and upper bout bent and then bring everything in all at one time. Seems to do the trick for this bender. Okay, I'm going to start the waist, and then I'm going to make sure that my upper and lower bout are as far as they're going to go. And then I'm going to apply what I like to call the back reinforcement spring. And what that does is just really pulls everything in together and holds it tight against the form and allows the rollers on the inside of the arms to really make contact to the upper and lower bout. And you might see that if the camera's close enough, you can see that it actually kind of rolls down on that last portion. Okay, I'm just gonna make a few turns and slowly bend it all together. Steady, let the bender do the work. And we're not trying to rush anything. And drive it home.